What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a capacitor of an air conditioner. So that's the one capacitor. Well, the changing the capacitor is not very complicated job. We're just going to take off the top cover and remove the pins from the old capacitor and put that new pins in the new capacitor. That's it. Not very complicated job, but the point is you gotta know when to change the capacitor. Well, in one case, when the capacitor is totally bad or in a very poor condition, then the compressor wouldn't start at all. It will make some kind of cracking noise, just it happens in the cars when you have low battery, the cranking noise, that kind of thing. That kind of sound it will make, and the compressor wouldn't start. That's the one condition. There, in that case, you must replace the capacitor, of course, or else the AC wouldn't work at all. And in another case, you gotta check the capacitor is weak. Then you need to change the capacitor for the better performance of the compressor. So the first thing is that you're getting kind of less cooling from your AC, not as you should get, but you know that your AC is completely cleaned, like no dust or blockage in the condenser coil or in the evaporator coil inside unit. So that's the one point. And another is, you know that the gas is completely filled. Either the technician did that, you saw that or checked that. Somehow you must know that the gas is full, but this is not giving you that much cool environment like it used to do before at the new time. So in that case, you gotta think about the capacitor, because you know the capacitor life is at least 4 to 5 years. Easily goes on 5 years, more than 5 years. Sometimes it works till 10 years. So the capacitor life is very long. But in some cases, when the AC is on every day and works for many hours every day, in that case, sometimes the capacitor become weak. And in that case, the weak means it will start the compressor, but in the running condition, the compressor wouldn't run at the full speed, and it wouldn't give you the full coolant that it used to do. So in that case, you must consider replacing the capacitor. And this thing is not that much costly. And in Indian currency, this thing cost me 250 only. But if any technician comes and want to replace you, they will cost you like more than 600, 700. They can charge you anything. That depends on the place you live. So I bought this thing from a local AC parts store, and this thing cost me only 250 rupees. So let's go outside and replace this thing and then check the performance of the AC. So let's go.
dancing.